Hello everybody, Don Master here. Got a good little Mac tool haul today, Mac Tools Thursday. Don't mind the bag in the background. Milwaukee Fuel. Yeah, Milwaukee. Yeah, the best. Milwaukee. Sorry, just it's an old bag. Haven't been buying Milwaukee really, but got the Snap-on jump pack, 4 or 5 years old, still works okay for smaller vehicles. Got the DPL 50KSS 5-piece long lineup punches. Got a replacement USA made 12.19 millimeter 3H drive socket, shallow. I lost mine in my set. That's the biggest size in the set. Very nice, beautiful chrome finish, beautiful socket. And I also lost a quarter drive, 1/4 inch deep impact socket on my Master quarter drive rail Expert. So I picked those two things up. Picked up the new Flyer, celebrating 85 years this year of serving customers. Pretty good. Not quite as long as Snap-on, but pretty good. Maybe we'll go over some of this stuff. You guys have probably seen CP's. I think he's had this one out already. But I mainly want to show you guys these punches that I ordered a couple months ago. They were on back order. Really nice. Haven't even opened them yet. Let me get these open. Let's take a look. Alright, so these are pretty cool. They're a lot bigger than I was thinking, which is nice. A little beat up. A little mark in this one. That's always fun to see. Man, these are nice. So, they're just long tapered punches. Mac Tools. If I can get this to focus for you guys. There you go. Mac Tools. That's a 3/32. We got a 1/8 inch. And that's this end here. These are pretty nice, man. They're long. That's what I wanted, was long ones for lining up stuff and whatnot. They do come handy. This one's nice and long. They get longer the bigger you go. This one's a 3/16, and these are all USA made. Nice stamping. Mac Tools. Not too bad of a price on these either. They were out of stock for a long time. They finally showed up. This is the second to biggest, and this is a 1/4 inch. That's pretty good size punch. I like that. That's pretty good sized. I'll be able to get some work done with that. And then the big bad boy. Look at that big old sucker. That's the 5/16, the DPL 10SS. Man, nice looking units. Pretty good size. Got some oil on them. You can see my hands are already dirty. Don't mind the messy floor of the car. It's a work car, you know. It's a Toyota Camry with 209,000 miles. It's a 96 Camry V6. Good power. Anyway, look at how thick these are. This is probably almost an inch thick. 3/4 of an inch. But I'm pretty impressed. They're a lot bigger and thicker and longer than I was expecting. I thought the package was only going to be like this, but it's a lot bigger. Safety tips on here talks about things you could do to save your ass. Driven to be the best is their little slogan. So I picked these up. I was not expecting them today at all, because I ordered them so long ago. I kind of forgot about them. I ordered a ratchet from him too that's on back order. Not sure when that'll be here. I ordered it after I ordered these. But, so yeah. Hope you guys like this. It's a short haul. But something to show you. So I don't know how I'm going to store this, but I'm just going to leave them like that in the drawer, or if I'm going to roll them up. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it. I guess folding it in half like that is probably the better way to go. Then they stay, the moisture will stay off of them a little bit better. Just kind of roll them up like that. Maybe put them back in the bag for now. But Mac always has nice bags too, like Snap-on. I think they're Proto punches, but don't quote me on that. CP says Mayhew, I say Proto. I don't know for sure. But my Mac dealer, he's 95% sure that they're Proto, he said. And we compared an actual Proto brand to the Mac, and they look identical. And then I compared a Mayhew to a Mac, and they weren't even close. So I have a video of that in a Mac tool haul probably 6 months ago on a 12-piece punch and chisel set. I compared to Proto and compared to Mayhew. But we'll just flip through this a little bit. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it. I have this set. They're okay. They're not my favorite, but they're strong. They have these extra long ratcheting wrenches, remote starter when you get the deluxe compression tester, flare nut wrench deals. This is all stuff I don't need. I already have this kind of stuff. That's why I won't spend the money. There's the new oil resistant Power Stack small battery, and my dealer says he has the new Power Stack 5.0s on order, which is pretty cool. Overstock blowout. That's a pretty good deal. 99 bucks. That's a good deal. I have that ratchet. Those are good sockets. The pen lights are nice. Memory saver, mirror. These suck. Don't buy them. This ratchet is a beast. I have that ratchet. I paid $100 more. They were on back order for like a year, and I ordered mine and then finally got it after waiting like 6 months. I've had it. It was 6 months ago when I finally got it. My 3H drive, the BRS 038. Slow, or 200 RPM, but a lot of power, a lot of torque. I mean, you can really run some stuff down with them. Yeah, I highly recommend picking that up if you want it, if you want to try it, because 150 bucks is pretty cheap when they're normally 250. I mean, that's half the price of a Snap-on. It's bare tool though. That's a really good deal. Those are normally like 900 bucks. Those are SAE though. I have this set in Snap-on. It's 1 1/4 inch. See, that's a good set. They aren't the longs though. The long pattern. Don't know much about those. I'm sure they're good. This light's really bright. And then the new colors for the CSTs, and a pad here, and some wheel stud installers. And then a little bit of apparel, not much. 3-in-1 jacket, kind of cool. You get the brake bleeder wrenches free when you buy this brake bleeder and fluid dispenser, and you can be one of us and drive your future. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little Mac Tools Thursday. I know it's been a while since I've done one. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year here coming up. So appreciate all you guys. Thanks. Have a good one.